Hey, I'm Fish. Thank you very much for joining me. We had this discussion, this talk before. So let's get on going and tell you what I'm thinking about out loud. Well, they got this sale going on. It's for a GoPro Hero 11 Black. It's $429 with a $50 gift card to be used after the purchase, as well as another $50 item card from Shutterfly. And $429 and $50 off. Oh man, that makes that camera what? $369? $365.18 by me because of the tax. And that may be something that I am so interested in getting. Again, that is. But you know what? I'm already shooting with the GoPro Hero 10. Why would I need another GoPro camera if I got a 7, an 8, and a 10? So I'm heading out right now, and I'm going to think about it. Not to go get the camera, but to get 2 pieces of wood. And I got the piece of wood with me. And let me show you the size I need. Maybe you could tell me the size it is. Oh yeah, I think it's like 7.5 inches by 6 feet. That's what I gotta get. Gotta get 2 of them. Now the Hero 10 could do just about everything the Hero 11 can do, except the 8:7 aspect ratio and 10-bit. Do I need those 2 extra features of the camera? We could do everything else with the profiles, the shutter speed, and so forth, like vehicle lighting and painting. We could do all that, you know, personally with the Hero 10. Now, I am thinking of another camera, and I am dead serious on it. The Sony. I have a Sony CyberShot HX90. Well, you know, the next updated version would be the HX99, which is 4K, and I don't have an external microphone. So I was thinking about maybe the RX10 Roman numeral 7, is it? Or the 100 Roman numeral 7. And, you know, that's got the mic, it's got everything that the HX90 has, plus a little more. So what makes more sense to me is going to the Sony ZV series, the ZV-1 or the ZV-E10. And those are the 2 I'm fighting back and forth on. If I look at the E10 model and I gotta buy a different lens, this and that, that's gonna be like a minimum of $2,000 with everything all finished. And I just don't want to spend that money on the E10. And it has what? Rolling shutter, the image stabilization not being the best, and you have to use their software to do a better image stabilization. And that's something that everybody else is out there doing today, offering the software out there so you can add additional software for image stabilization. All I'm interested in is the Z1 that does the job I need. I could deal without the interchangeable lens if asked. They both got the same external microphone, they both got a shoe, but the E10's got the hot shoe that you can purchase an additional mic. But you know, I don't have the interchangeable lens. They both do that product review bokeh thing, and they both have the same wide angle, they both got the same image stabilization. And I'm not taking the camera out there to do vlogging, but the ZV-1 has the better image stabilization. It has its ups and it has its downs. The only difference with the cameras is the price difference of $50. Nothing much more. But the only real difference is I could get interchangeable lenses. Well, I'm happy with just the ZV-1 if and when I get it. So what are your thoughts about those cameras? What's your thought about a GoPro Hero? I already got an Action 3, which is at home, and I use that as my review camera. So right now I'm going out and I'm going to get some wood. I'm going to continue my shelving, modify what I have by my desk, take out the old little T things there, and like looks like upside down ground symbol, and I'm going to just replace it to standard stock shelving. That's very simple to do. At the meantime, I am going to look at some barbecues because I need a new barbecue. And maybe a 2-burner is better than a 3-burner. A little bit less space in there so it can cook a little bit better. We're not getting the flavors that we need. And I know I need to do like a smoker in there, which I have a tin cup and I soak my wood. I'm just not getting the fun food flavor like we used to. Get it? The triple Fs? Hey, let's not rule out a smartphone. They say an iPhone, Apple 14 Pro Max will do everything that a camera can do and or more. So yeah, would an iPhone be better? I don't think so. Because if I got the phone like this and I wanted to turn it around and I'm doing a face thing, I want to see myself framing and all, I'm not going to see it with the phone. With the camera, I could flip the screen around. And that's the benefit of a camera. I got everything I needed. I got arugula. Yeah, we love arugula. I got my 2 pieces of wood. Yeah, they're kind of, you know, a little expensive. I didn't want to get the most expensive one. And I brought a piece with me. And I tried to look at the barbecue sets. Home Depot got them out. But I got wood chips again. I needed to replenish the ones I had. But I got myself a wood chip smoker, which I'm going to put on top of the actual flame, the briquettes. And that may help give me a little bit more flavor. Now, the wood chips I got were hickory. Yeah, mystique. Because I already got apple at home. And yeah, you know, cook up food with all these 3 flavors. Oh man, it's awesome. You get a great flavor. So off we go. Let's get on out of here and back up and move forward nice and safely. Oh man, this is why I don't want to get all this stuff with the GoPro, windshield mount, smartphone, get a smartphone cradle, things like that. I'm happy with what I got. Ah man, I forgot something. Not really. I need a circular saw. I gotta replace my circular saw. I don't need a super expensive one, just one that will cut the wood. So down comes the table saw so I can make a couple of cuts. Well, I said a lot, did a lot, talked a lot. I'm gonna go get some breakfast and have it and start my day off nice and early. Take my stuff down and off my shelf and put it up there and think what I want to do with the cameras that are out there. I know I can't get any other better camera. Sure I can. I could get myself a Sony FX30, put it on a great lens, and off I go and not worry about anything. It's not about having the greatest and latest stuff. It's about having something that will work out for your benefits. On that note, I'm Fish. See you on many videos to come. Oh man, nice and quiet. I'm ready to go. That's the fastest it can go? No, we're just gonna warm it up. The floor is cold, and I want to make sure I give it just the right amount of trim. And now we're gonna turn around. I don't want to go that far. This thing could go about 40-50 miles per hour. Ooh, baby! Just gonna dance. Here we go. Boy, almost lost it there. I love cold floors. All right, we gotta wait for the cars to come down. All right, the cars are gone. Time for some fun. Oh yeah. Oh, I'm all the way down there. Here we go. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go the whole block. I'm not full speed, I'm just off the trigger. And now I'm gonna just come all the way down the block. Here we go. Full speed. Woo! I'm off that trigger. Yeah. All right, let's go for a fun run. Oh, that stopped like 2 feet before I wanted it to. I normally put the camera on there, forward, back. Oh yeah, take off. Woo. Right there, it'll fly. Oh yeah, sun's right in my eyes. Let's come back again. I'm not full, now I'm full throttle. Now dare me to do one of these. Go right through my legs, like that. Oh, I'm all set up. If I do it, I'm gonna crash into my legs. I won't do it full speed, but here we go. Stop. And call it a day. Calling it a day on a skid. Oh, yeah, baby. It's over.